Memory is a fundamental aspect of our lives, allowing us to store and retrieve information, form relationships, and navigate the world around us. But what happens when our memory fails us? How do we know if our memory is functioning correctly or if there is an underlying problem that needs attention? Memory tests are a vital tool used by healthcare professionals to diagnose memory problems and see the state of the patient's cognitive functions. These tests are used to evaluate an individual's short-term, long-term, and working memory through various techniques, such as verbal and visual recall, recognition, and memory span. They offer objective measures of memory function that can aid in developing effective treatment plans and interventions, improving the quality of life for individuals with memory problems. Carepatron's memory test tool is structured into 4 parts. The first part is a words list learning test, where the examiner reads a list of 15 unrelated words aloud to the client. The client will then be asked to recall as many of the words as possible. This will be repeated 3 times. And then after a delay of 10 to 15 minutes, the client will be asked to recall as many words as possible from the list again. The second part is the story recall test, where the examiner will read a short story to the client and ask the client to recall as many details as possible immediately after hearing the story. After 10 to 15 minutes, the client will be asked again to recall as many details as possible from the story. The third part is a spatial memory test. The client will be shown a simple geometric design for 10 seconds and then will be asked to draw the design from memory. The last part is a digit span test. The examiner reads a sequence of numbers to the client and the client will repeat the sequence back. The sequences will start with 2 digits and increase by 1 digit with each subsequent sequence. This will then be reversed. Each test has its own scoring system, which is found in our memory test worksheet. To find our memory test worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.